Hello everyone and welcome to Ira tutorial. I am Aarti Naik and today I am going to teach you class 10 subject Sanskrit. In that Sanyukta Sanskritam, that means composite Sanskrit, okay, which is for 50 marks. So first we will start with the first lesson, that is prayer. This lesson is only for learning. Keval Kanthasthi Karanartham, that means you are going to learn only. It may be asked for oral, but no, for written questions this may not be asked. Okay, so let us start with the first verse of this prayer. It is Kar Darshanam, that means this slok is said early in the morning when you got up from your bed. At that time, first you have to see, you have to join both your hands and see the palm and read this, or means recite this verse. कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी करमध्ये सरस्वती करमूले तु गोविन्दं प्रभाते करदर्शनम्. Now here Karagre Vasate Lakshmi means what? Goddess Lakshmi stays on the end of the palm. That means whatever your fingers are there, at the end of the fingers, at the end means at the end of the palm where your finger attached there. In this part Goddess Lakshmi is there. In the middle of the palm Goddess Saraswati is there, and Lord Krishna stays at the root the palm. So, one should look at one's palm in the morning. That means, in a one glance, we can worship two goddesses and one god. So, every morning when you got up from the bed, you have to recite this shloka. Next, Kshama Prarthana. Kshama Prarthana means what? Every day when we got up, at that time we are walking, we are doing lots of activity, and during that time we are putting harm to different things. For example, Kshama means we are asking sorry to the earth because we are putting our legs on it for doing all the activities. Okay, so for that, when we, this thing you can find in Sanskrit only. This is a beauty of Sanskrit. You can see that we have to say sorry early in the morning because the whole day we are going to do knowingly or unknowingly so many things which are harmful. Okay, so let us see the verses. Let us see this verse. समुद्रवसने देवी पर्वताबलिभूषिते विष्णुपत्नी नमस्तुभ्यं पादस्पर्शः क्षमस्व मे. That means we are saying sorry to the goddess earth. O goddess earth, who is, to which goddess earth? So goddess earth who is wearing garment of oceans, who is adorned by ranges of mountains, and who is wife of Lord Vishnu. Please forgive me for touching her with feet. That means we are saying that earth is our mother, earth is goddess, and we are putting our feet on the earth in the morning, and it's throughout the day we are doing the same activity, and that's why we should ask for forgiveness from goddess earth. Next, third shloka is related to Surya Namaskar. Means when we got up at the morning, we have to take darshan of our both the palm. Then we have to ask for forgiveness because we are going to put our leg on the earth. Next is related to exercise. ध्येयः सदा सवितृमण्डलमध्यवर्ती नारायणः. नारायण means God, sun god. सरसिजासनसन्निविष्टः केयूरवान् मकरकुण्डलवानः किरीट हारी हिरण्यवपु धृतशङ्खचक्रहा. That means one should meditate on the form of Lord Narayan. Lord Narayan means God, Sun, being in the middle of the glowing orb of the sun. Means we are at the middle of the, in the orbit in which sun is moving. Okay, actually sun is not moving, we are moving in that orbit. sitting on the seeds of lotus, having golden body. Now this description is of God Sun, wearing golden bracelets, crown, shark earrings, and holding the shankh and chakra. So here in this shloka, message is given to us that we should do meditation to Lord Narayana, that means God Sun. Okay, so let us see next one. Next one is related to Bhojana Mantra, that means while eating, which shlok we have to speak out to thankful to the earth. Okay, let us see. सततमशनकाले मातृभूमि स्मरेयं जय जय जननी त्वां मुक्तकण्ठं वदेयं हितदसुखं हितदसुखदमन्नं प्रत्यहं भक्षयेयं भवतु बलसमृद्धं राष्ट्रभक्ते शरीरम. Now why we want a perfect body? To worship or to give service to our nation. So this shlok means that I shall always remember my motherland at the same time of eating. So before eating, you have to pray to motherland. I shall loudly say, Victory of motherland. I shall eat wholesome and pleasing food every day. That means I am getting everything good for eating. May my body become strong for the service of my nation. So why we want strong body? To service our nation. Next, Deepastuti, that means at the time of evening when we are uh, evening prayer when we are doing, at that time we have to say this shloka. दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरितः पापानि संध्यादीप नमोस्तुते. That means here we are saying we are giving our salutation to evening lamp. The the light of the lamp is the ultimate principle at the root of all creation. So all creation is because of light only, that, and it is Lord Vishnu. It removes the sins. O evening lamp, salutation to you. So during evening we have to recite this shlok while we are making the evening lamp. Okay. Next, Shanti Mantra. This is very beautiful mantra, and in this means in this lots of things we can learn. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. That means this is infinite. That means it is, we can't see it, and we don't know its limit. We don't know the limit of universe. This world is born of that, means world is born because of the universe. Subtracting the infinite from the infinite, only the infinite remains. So from universe, if we try to subtract the universe, only universe will left. So its meaning, it is difficult to understand, but I am trying to explain you in Hindi also. वह जो पर ब्रह्म दिखाई नहीं देता है, दैट मीन्स हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द यूनिवर्स, वह अनंत और पूर्ण है, मीन्स इट इज़ कंप्लीट इन द सेंस, क्योंकि पूर्ण से पूर्ण की ही उत्पत्ति होती है. बिकॉज इफ़ यू वांट समथिंग कंप्लीट देन इट कैन बॉर्न फ्रॉम द कंप्लीट थिंग ओनली. यह दृश्यमान जगत भी अनंत है. सो विच एवर वर्ल्ड we are looking forward, it is infinite. That means it does not have any limit. उस अनंत से विश्व बहिर्गत हुआ यह अनंत विश्व उस अनंत से बहिर्गत होने पर भी अनंत ही रह गया है. That means world is a form of the universe. If we are removing world from the universe, then also universe is complete. It will be complete only. If we are subtracting world from the universe, then also universe will be complete only, because already it is complete. But we can't see its completeness, we can feel it. So this is all about the prayer. If you have any doubts, do write in comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. In this channel you will get lots of videos related to your study. You can learn it, you can see it again and again to understand it for your betterment. And if you have any difficulty, do write in comment box, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you.